Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Aura frame is showing photos in split screen and you'd rather go back to a single full screen image, it can feel a bit confusing to figure out where that setting is. Split view is designed to display multiple photos at once, but not everyone prefers that layout, especially if you want a cleaner, more focused look for your pictures. The tricky part is that the option isn't always obvious on the frame itself, and you often need to adjust it through the app or settings. The good thing is that once you know where to look, switching back to full screen mode only takes a few seconds. Try these. Step 1. Open the Aura app on your phone. Step 2. Select your Aura frame from the device list. Step 3. Go to frame settings. Step 4. Find the display or layout option. Step 5. Turn off split screen or multi-photo view. Step 6. Save changes and the frame will switch to full screen photos.